Looks like we got some rain coming. We've got a tropical disturbance in the Gulf of Mexico here at the Texas coast. So hopefully it'll bring us a little bit of some rain. But yeah, we really need the rain right now. Everything is so dry. But yeah, I can smell it too. And you can see it. Right in there, it's a nice one. Hopefully we can get some rain here shortly. Here comes the wind and the rain. All right, guys. We're getting some. Ooh, that wind. It's getting really windy now. All right. We need this rain. I'm really glad to get some rain right now, and it has cooled off quite a bit. It feels really good. It feels really good right now. I think I'm just gonna sit out here, enjoy watching it rain. Breeze is really good. We had a little strong wind gust there, and this is nice. I like it. It's exciting. But anyways, I just wanted to show just a little bit of a video that we're finally getting some rain here in Texas. I know it's not going to be enough. We probably need at least another week's worth or a little bit more every day straight to get back to normal. But I'll take whatever rain we can get. All right, guys. Thanks for watching this little video I made for y'all. Just showing it's raining. Enjoy. Love y'all. See you on the next episode.